Hello and welcome to the Retail Innovation Club, where we check out the hottest startups in the retail tech sector. Now today we're going to look at a company named Oriient, which provides the first indoor GPS service, essentially working with smart buildings and retailers to give accurate navigational skills directly to your smartphone, thereby helping shoppers find whatever they need within a short period of time and helping retailers increase their bottom line. Check it out. Mickey Poulter, CEO and co-founder of Oriient. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So indoor GPS, what am I supposed to understand by that? How is it different from outdoor GPS?
So outdoor GPS relies on satellites, and these satellites actually create a $300 billion economy by providing location awareness to any device while outdoors. As soon as you cross the door into a building, you can't get reception from those satellites, and basically GPS location stops at the door. By adding indoor GPS, we allow retailers to unlock the power of location data and offer wayfinding inside their stores, basically extending what you get with GPS outdoors into the building.
Okay. And what exactly does your company do? What does Oriient do?
So we reinvent the physical store experience by adding location data and wayfinding. We allow people to find products more easily, allow retailers to understand the shopper journey, allow them to streamline operations, all by giving your smartphone a sense of location, basically understanding where it is inside the store with 3 feet accuracy and without any hardware. So our solution doesn't need any Wi-Fi and doesn't need any beacons.
Okay. So, but are you e-commerce? Are you offline? How does it work?
We basically merge offline and online. We enable true omni-channel by integrating the mobile phone into the physical in-store experience.
Right. And what sectors do you work in?
Today, mostly grocery, in large format stores, mostly in the US and Europe. In grocery, we see the wayfinding being used by both the shoppers to enhance the shopping experience, get shoppers in a more relaxed mood during their shopping trip, because relaxed
Make them
shoppers
happy, right?
that can find stuff buy more. And also streamlining picking operations, so online e-grocery fulfillment, by helping the pickers become much more efficient. We see increases of twofold in the picking rate when pickers use our system.
So Mickey, how does it work?
So I think a video will explain it better. So here you can see a shopper navigating in a dense supermarket environment using our system. He basically navigates according to his shopping list, and we take him to the products one by one. So first thing, you can see that this is a very dense environment, so accuracy really matters. You need 3 feet accuracy to be able to navigate well in the supermarket environment. And you help the shopper find items more easily. You increase their basket sizes because they don't give up on items that are difficult to find.
Sure.
And you can communicate with them right by the shelf when the product you're promoting is within a hand's reach. So this increases conversion by at least 200%.
Listen, I think I would be using it. I normally don't do the shopping. My wife does the shopping. I have no idea where any of these things are.
Yeah.
And I totally understand, for sure. So how does this affect the bottom line of these companies?
So a surprising number is that 1 in 3 people leaves the store on their weekly shopping trip without buying at least one item. This is lost revenue for retailers. By helping shoppers have a more relaxed shopping trip, by helping them find items more easily, retailers can increase their revenue by up to 5% just by recovering that lost revenue from unfound items. On top of that, they can also add proximity promotions, which are much more effective and much less annoying when you give them at the shelf. And retailers can also leverage the same technology for streamlining their operations and making their pickers much more efficient.
Okay, well, this completely makes sense to me, actually. I mean, it's such a waste of time. Otherwise, if you go to the grocery store and you spend so much time and you still can't find what you need.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So more relaxed shoppers buy more, and in the end, it's about convenience. Today,
Absolutely.
with Amazon going into physical retail, everything is about convenience and about making offline as easy as online.
Right. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Where do you see yourself?
So we are on a roadmap to become the de facto standard for how to deliver indoor GPS, because our solution is the only one that's truly scalable. I mean, it's just software. You can roll it out and deploy it in any building without installing anything. We offer it in a SaaS-based model using just an annual subscription. So for the first time, there's technology with the viability of becoming a global infrastructure for indoor GPS.
Okay. And how do you differentiate yourself from any competitors out there?
We are basically almost the only solution that doesn't require any hardware. So the market has had many generations of technology using beacons and using Wi-Fi and using other types of hardware. But all of those solutions were simply not adopted by retailers because it's a low margin industry and no retailer wants to start investing in deploying and then maintaining hardware. We basically come into the store in the morning and by the afternoon the store is activated and you get full indoor GPS coverage.
Oh, sounds good. Well, Mickey Palter, CEO co-founder, any last words for our viewers?
So I think we're really setting a new standard for the in-store experience, and we're seeing already the dynamic of once people see, how useful the mobile retailer app can be with our technology in it. It's really, transformative in them starting to use it regularly and them starting to expect this level of service, just like, you would expect Google Maps to work everywhere.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I hope that we'll see your solution very soon here in Israel as well then.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.